Welcome to the delicious future. On our bread production line, baking is no longer just about making food. It's a wonderful artistic performance. Let's uncover the secrets of baking. Our fully automatic bread production line. It is a perfect fusion of craft and technology. Both dough mixing and fermentation, molding or baking. Every step is controlled by precise automation to ensure that every bite of bread is a masterpiece of baking. Fully automated bread production line unleashes your creativity. From the variety of dough types to shapes and flavors, there are no limits to your baking creativity. No longer worry about busy orders and high production. Our fully automatic bread production line. Be able to produce efficiently. Make sure you meet market demand.